This brings me to the honesty protocol. Apple marketing focuses heavily on the accessible price and the fun colors, but they conveniently ignore the serious bottlenecks they engineered into this machine. First, let us talk about the memory. You are stuck with 8 GB of RAM. It's permanently soldered directly into the A18 Pro Chip package. You cannot upgrade it later. While macOS is efficient today, as artificial intelligence applications grow more demanding over the next few years, 8 GB will become a severe limitation. The absolute deal breaker for many will be the port situation. You get 2 ports, but one is permanently crippled. You get 2 USB-C ports, but in a move that feels almost punishing, only one of those ports supports USB 3 speeds. The other port is hard-capped at ancient USB 2 speeds. Because there's no MagSafe, you have to use one of these ports just to charge the laptop. If you plug your charger into the fast port, you're left with a painfully slow connection for your external hard drive. This is a massive hidden frustration for anyone who needs to transfer files or use multiple accessories.